Hi, my name is Yifei Jiang. Through my name, you can tell I was a Chinese people. This is the third year I came to Americans for studying in university, and my major is finance. The reason why I chose this class was I want to know how to become a good leader, how to lead, and how to cooperate with group members. I think the cooperation is a very important for me American study, but it's not always appealed in Chinese study. So I didn't familiar with that. I want to know more about that. And I found an interesting concept through this week's study was the team click. When I just saw this name, I think is I was confused because what is a click? And I learned through the video the team click is a communication form be found to be most effective predictor of team success. It's outside of formal meetings predicted the team's productivity. I didn't involved in an organization now, but my future career goal is to become a professor. That means I need to become a leader for maybe one or two classes. Um, an interesting fact for me is I'm a little worried about talking behind a big group in the past. But this thing was changed 7 years ago. At that year, I was in the senior high school, and my Chinese teacher asked us to ask every student need to make a small lecture before we taking the Chinese class, and because I was a subject res- response respon rep- representative for Chinese, I make two lectures in front of all my classmates. I really like making lectures because I like share thought with another people. So I think leader is maybe a great role for me.